Hello, everyone, to our HeyGen weekly Thursday webinar. And yeah, long time no see, I would say, right away. And yeah, I'm not alone today. So Joy is with me. Joy, maybe you can just give a quick intro and then we will welcome everyone. But maybe you will just start first.
Thank you, Nick. Yeah, hi everyone. I'm Joy from our HeyGen customer success team. I'm really glad to attend this webinar, and it's yes, long time no see to our HeyGen community.
Yeah, it's great to have everyone back. So I want to welcome everyone around the world again. HeyGen webinar is always globally, internationally. So we have a lot of actually tendencies, not just live, also because yes, it is always recorded. So you will find this on our YouTube channel that you could really actually have even one day later a quick look. So what are we talking about? What is new? What is the topic itself? So welcome everyone around the world. So good morning, good evening, or even close to good night, but stay with us for some minutes here. Joy, today's topic is 101 plus actually latest updates. I think we have a lot of things to share, and like I really want to find the best way to share it with everyone. A lot of things going on. Even we have a new logo. So maybe you can guide us a bit through and maybe also start one more step before, like what is HeyGen, what we are doing. Maybe you prepared something, or I'm pretty sure. And I will just hand over to you right now.
Okay, thank you, Nick. Yeah, I believe today also some new customer join us. So firstly, we will be give you a big picture. What is HeyGen? What we are doing, and hope can help you better understand our product and our company and our team. So I'm going to share my screen. Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Yes, great. So today is our HeyGen one-on-one training. So as Nick mentioned, this is our basic training for all our customers to introduce you how you can get started with this kind of AI technology. We also will be provide you a lot of very exciting update from our avatar part. And so, firstly, we want to introduce you what is HeyGen. So, at HeyGen, our mission is to make virtual storytelling can be accessible to all. So, if you see, we are this trying to build up all-in-one AI solutions to help every business create videos in a very fast and easy way. Our AI product help you can create, translate, even personalize your videos. We provide this kind of AI solutions. When we talk with more and more business customers, we understand like every business want to create more and more videos to help their business grow, but it's hard to find a way to make video storytelling or video production in a much more scalable way, because we know in the traditional way, when you want to create a very high quality videos, it always takes a lot of time and money. And if you see in the traditional old way, when you create a video, you usually need a professional like crew team or this kind of production team to help you to create content. And also it takes lots of time and money and process to for the post production. And if you want to localize your content into different languages, it's another time consuming part. But today for HeyGen, we are trying to using generative AI to solve this kind of problem. We are trying to using AI video generation to replace the video production. If you see our solutions, we think that is, we believe it is 10 times faster, even 20 times faster You can skip some traditional steps, and you can just type in your script and generate the content. And its content can in like lots of different languages.
And this is one way, Joy. So this is for all the, I would say, creators around the world in business, but also like I would say on a freelancer way, who are already doing like videos. But let's not forget the people who want to start actually to create videos, but they are shy in front of the camera. They are not really how to perform in front of the camera. They are not really like have all the knowledge or even time to do it. And HeyGen is helping you because you could actually, and we will also show this to everyone, create not just one avatar. You could create like multiple avatars of you in different location, different setups, different like situation in first place, different outfits. And then you can create like in an automational workflow, or even each by each, different type of topics. You could also record yourself different emotions. So this will everything help you to even get started, and not just like help to really get rid of this, I would say, old-fashioned way for video production. It will also help you to really jump into this new topic and start maybe a career, a social media channel, or even for your own business, to get everyone involved, like every employee, like every type of department, who are always like, yeah, we want to do something with video. We know that we are living in a video first world. But now with HeyGen, we can actually do it because it's so easy to use, multiple looks, and it looks really, really realistic. And that's very, very cool. So I just wanted to add this, Joy. Cool.
Yeah, thank you, Nick. Yeah, I think this is related to our mission. Like everyone can create a video, and this kind of tool can be accessed to all. Yeah, thank you. And yeah, this is our like product map. We are like building different like AI product, and we can now like using this kind of AI tools to create content, translate content. You can also like localize the content videos in 175 different languages and locales. And also you can using your own AI voice and lip sync. And also like we have another way is like you can personalize your video campaigns, send like thousands of different videos at a very short time. And we know like video is always this kind of one-way deliverable format. We also have another feature we call it interactive avatar. That is another amazing product, we think. That is you can chat with your avatars, and you can have a live chat to have this kind of interactive user experience using interactive with your digital twin. Yeah, and also because today we are talking about AI, talking about how you can using AI to create the content. We also very concerns and take care of AI safety and our users' privacy. If you see in these slides, we are for HeyGen, we are SOC 2 Type 2 certified, and we are also strictly adhere the GDPR. And for our community, the safety is the most like important things we are always taking care of. We are moderate our user generated content and ensure that it's aligned with our community guidelines. So we hope we can building up this kind of very safety places, and you can create your content and to enable your creativity and innovation.
Yeah. As part of the trust and safety team here at HeyGen, it's like it is really important that everyone understand. Like if you create an avatar, you need this consent, even in this live actually workflow. And we have manually actually moderators who are really checking like if this is the same person, if there is anything someone tried with an iPad, with an iPhone, just like missing some words or whatever, voiceover. We saw everything. So we are pretty sure that we have this latest, safest structure we can build for this to really make sure all the avatars are just in your account and just people have access to the avatar if you want to. So if you invite someone, that's a different topic. But in first place, it is secured. So thanks for sharing. Very, very important topic to us.
Thank you, Nick. Yeah, I think I have this big picture for our community. What is HeyGen? And now maybe we can dive into our new features.
Yeah, I would say, start with the demo in first place and what we want to talk about. What is new actually? How is everything looking at HeyGen in our interface when you join the first time, or even when you already like did some videos on HeyGen? I just created while you were talking like some videos, so maybe we can have a look later on how this will even look like. But let's do it step by step now. So first, after you sign in with HeyGen, yes, you can start with a free account. There is nothing against this. This is actually the perfect way to get started with HeyGen, to make yourself more comfortable how everything works. And then you can always upgrade to a different tier if you want to. So let's start. I will share my screen. Joy, if you have any questions, like just interrupt me when it fits to the situation that we can really answer all the questions. And even if you have questions or you want to guide me through, if I should show maybe something a bit more specific, just let me know. So
sure.
Let's go ahead. So the first thing you will always see is like this type of interface here. So this interface is important that you understand, okay, where is everything? So after you sign in, you will see first your name or whatever thing you really want to make sure that this is your personal account, this is your business account. We always have to separate for sure, like enterprise and also like our self-service user in first place. But at the end, the interface is looking similar. For sure, with enterprise, you can add like and create a space and add more of your employees, your colleagues into one space, and you can work in this space together to actually, make sure all the projects and all the people around this project are involved. So we split this a bit to our core product and also labs product, but let's focus today on our avatar. So first, for sure, like our new logo. So it's also a new chapter for us at HeyGen. I mean, some of you, they will still notice that we started with a different logo. So this is our brand new logo. It will, we really want to focus for sure, like, and want to provide this message that the play button for sure is dedicated not just to other companies, also for us at HeyGen. Purple is still like our go-to, I would say, color in first place. And we love this color here at HeyGen. So this is our new logo. So we switched it to any kind of account. This means you will not see the old logo anymore. Like here, for example, in this video, I was keeping this, that if some of you doesn't know our old logo, just to make sure that you're now in charge with our new logo. So we have the home button, actually a quick overview, what you actually done in the past for avatar videos, for video translation topics. Then we have the project itself, where you can split and create like folders to have a more structure order if you're creating more topics. Because as I said, if you create more avatars for different purposes, different use cases, put it in different folders to make it simpler for you. Or even if you select a different voice, like language. So maybe you have a campaign, or you have a project, you have a channel for Spanish, put it in Spanish. You can also have for sure like different folders there. Or you can select English, French, because this is the magic about HeyGen. If you create an avatar on HeyGen, you can speak multiple languages. You are not limited anymore because you can just speak English, or you can just speak German, or just Spanish. No, you can speak all the languages in a very easy way. We have templates provided. It means like if you are not really like, I'm not so good to really take care about my own templates, to create templates, I don't have ideas. We are hearing you. No worries. Like HeyGen library is really here for you to give you actually some ideas, or even you could press on this template and then you can create in our AI studio on top of this template your own content. You can change the text, you can change the avatar, you can switch it to your main avatar, to your own avatar, or even a different avatar, and create this kind of content right away. So you don't even have to start from scratch. You can use our templates. The avatar in first place will be always collected here in our library on the left side in the left bar. This is public to everyone. Yes, you have to make sure that some are professional and some are more premium avatars. So it will be available for the Teams plan or the enterprise plan. But typically also in the free account and also the creator account, you will have access to our public avatars. So we actually have kind of different type of avatars. We have this, I would say, realistic avatars, and we have photo avatars. So photo avatar, pretty simple. It's really like you upload an image and then you can actually create content with this image. So we will make it happen that this will actually speak in first place. So this is a very cool product in first place. A lot of our actually also business users, they're using this for a lot of different projects. So yeah, test it out, upload a video, like a photo here from yourself, or even like any other cartoon, and yeah, just be creative. You can do whatever you want to with this feature photo avatar. If it comes to realistic, real person, I would say avatars like digital twins. Some people are mentioning this or calling this. You can select for different type of avatars. So what is new now here? Before, we got a lot of time the feedback, yeah, this is a good avatar, but it sounds good, it looks good, but yeah, I'm missing, like, I would say, the emotions here. So we created 3.0 avatar with this type of emotions you're looking for. We are very close to make it really accessible to all. So right now we have the public 3.0 avatars, but it doesn't take long from here on to give everyone access to this. And the first results are amazing. And this is what I wanted to focus today on, to show you how this 3.0 version works. But I also want to give you an example about our new different looks, like the hybrid avatar in first place. It means, like, I will show you in a bit. So the idea is, or Joy, is there any question like I should answer before?
I think we can finish the demo first. Yeah, we can
Yeah.
go.
But if you have a question, just let me know right away. So what is now cool about this 3.0 avatar? So this is actually me, myself, and I. So yes, this is a public avatar. You can use it for your own purpose. You could dive in, select this avatar, and just like stick with me now, because this is really, really cool. And then you could create a video. So if you create a video with HeyGen in first place, you will come to the AI studio. In our AI studio, you can handle all the content from your video for your video that you will have at the end. So again, you could go with the template, or you can start with scratch. So even in our AI studio, you will see, like, okay, I could go ahead, create a video right away, for example, and then just like change the avatar, the script, the voice, the background music, whatever you want to. And actually, typically, you can just handle it as a normal editor. So if you're familiar with Canva, you should be fine with our editor as well. The avatar in first place is always selectable on this left side. You have the script. The script means now we are taking care what actually the avatar should say. So you could type in if you want. You could change the voice if you want. You could change the local if you want, that it sounds a bit more, let's say I have a project on a German market, but I don't really want to sound so German. I want to speak Austrian because it's more like a project for the Austrian market in first place. Okay, so we can change this if you want to and change the local, and it sounds a bit more like an Austrian person and not just like a German person. Or what I prefer always, but everyone is different, I would always go with my main voice, change nothing, and just have my accent in the new target language. Because for me, this is natural. This is how I would speak actually in Spanish as well. So I like it, I prefer it, but for sure, it's all the time completely up to you. The other way, and this is what I want to show you right now, is you could also upload an audio file directly to the avatar. Why is this cool? This is cool because with this 3.0 version, your avatar could also sing. It shows you a bit more emotion, a bit more like expressive facial things, and just makes it way more likable, watchable. And so you know what, Joy? I will just show it. So let's have an audio. Let's take a music file and let's take a speech file. So I already did it. So we don't have to wait here for anything. But what I did was uploading an MP3 file via downloaded from Suno actually. So Suno is also an AI platform where you can create your own music with AI. So I just create a country song. I edit on HeyGen with my avatar 3.0. And now we see actually how the result will look like. I did the same actually with a different tool with this speech term that we can have actually also not just a music singing one, but also like a speech one that we can see the difference here. Or the other way, you can type in a script. This is completely up to you. We are just showing you what else you can do. So I don't want to do like too deep dive today because not really an educational not really an educational video here, but oh, it's still loading. I don't know what's going on here, but the speech actually we can already have a look here.
They run, they laugh. I see the glow shining in their eyes. Not like hers. She seems distant, strange, somehow cold. A couple of days after, I received the call. I curse, scream, and cry. They're gone. I drink and cry and dream over and over. Why?
Joy, how cool is this?
Yeah, it's very exciting because I'm not sure if we have the old customer here. If you compare with this Avatar 3.0 to our previous avatars, it will be include more facial expressions and more emotion.
Yeah. What was our idea actually when we created this type of tech? So you have to understand, Joy, and also everyone who's listening or even watching on YouTube, everyone was actually doing one avatar, okay? In this avatar, you don't really show your emotions or anything. So the outcome was typically not satisfied how everyone wanted. Everyone wanted to like right away control something. Like, yeah, I want to control this. I want to control this. We get this and we will get there, but we have to do it step by step. So my idea was always when I was talking with all these businesses, clients, but also small creators and helping them to get a better result was like, hey, why you don't like create different type of avatars in your account? Let's say one very serious professional one in an environment that is like fitting to your avatar. And let's say we will do one more, a bit more friendly, happy, excited. So there was always a way to actually provide different type of avatars right away. but complicated because you have to create more avatars, but also very, very helpful for a lot of businesses because sometimes you want to have this in a business, I would say corporate outfit look. Sometimes you want to be a bit more casual. So I will show you later what I'm talking about. With 3.0, we are merging like the emotion in first place. We will create really like this type of technology, and we build an amazing actually model here. And now you can just use one avatar and create this type of results with it. And this is amazing. And yeah, I can't even wait to show you more and more things over time, because we are planning the next really cool features already. So how actually to make sure when I write a script or anything, how something will be pronounced in a better way? And also, is it doable with HeyGen to actually change the background? Yes, for sure. Like, so you always have the element button on the left side, or you can actually upload your own assets if you want to, and just like select different type of, I would say, backgrounds if you want to, or even like a video if this is the way how you want to have this video. This is doable. You can actually change the size and the frame also from the avatar and just make sure it looks how you want to. If I want to actually type something in and not just like upload an MP3 file, so what can I do? So if I have a script here, for example, we will do this right now here. Let's select a voice here from myself. Okay, so we have actually the normal, I would say, English, let's do it in English. It doesn't even matter, like we could also do it in French. But I have this text now, so let's listen to it.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
Okay, so that's pretty cool. This is on point. What we could also do is always highlight like words if we want to. So if we, for example, use some verticals here and we type in this word in a bigger letters, or we even like add, for example, different type of symbols to this system, we will actually get also a bit better control of the part of how we actually say something. And we can definitely see and hear differences. Yes, sometimes it's a bit back and forth, but it's also like how you actually create your avatar. And because I will show you one thing in a bit.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
So, Joy, did you hear this? How the script in first place is changing? Like, there is a lot more pressure, a lot more energy on the new. There is also the gap before your. So the system understand, oh, the next word, or here's a gap. The next word, I have to actually raise a bit the volume and make it a bit more expressive. So, and if we put actually this to a video, maybe this will work right away. We can just create this video. Hopefully it, oh no, I did a mistake. Why? Because I still have the, let me see. Oh no, it should be very fast. Okay, is here a question, Joy?
I think here is an interesting question.
Yes.
For avatar, is there any chance we can change the outfit?
Yeah, great question. We are hearing you. We have the feedback. Yes, we are working right now on a new technology that, okay, what is the challenge actually? Maybe I have to pick you up a bit before. So the challenge is that there are a lot of tools around us that you can easily change the outfit, okay? but it is always static. It is always photo. We as HeyGen, we have a kind of quality standard before we want to launch something. And the reason is why we can't just like take or create this in an easy way is because our avatars are typically not static. We are moving, we are using hands, we are like give a different type of input video to actually the system. So it means there's also light things we have to keep in mind. And so all this different type of stuff we are working right now on. So, and we would be happy to really launch this as soon as possible, but we are on it. So today, no, not an option. I would say in the next 3 months, probably yes. Okay.
Thank you.
One more question, like maybe overall or anything. Maybe we can listen real quick to my country song. What do you think, Joy?
Yeah, we can play this video.
Okay, so I created again this video with Suno, and I just like downloaded this in my account. I was uploading this directly to HeyGen in first place in our asset folder, and now let's see how I'm looking at singing. To be honest.
Walking through the night, hear the city hum, heartbeat like a drum, skyscrapers touch the sky, stars begin to fly, echoes in the air, cities everywhere. Oh, we dance until the dawn, city lights keep coming on, feel the beat and make a sound in this city.
Yeah, okay. This is, it's so cool. Yeah, you have to play around with. Again, this is not just for fun purposes, but you could even use this for a nice campaign for your business. Like, let's be creative. It's a video word. Like, not everyone wants to get like boring videos. Like, bring fun into it. And even if you just use it as an intro, as an outro, just like to make it a bit more interactive. I would love to see this, and don't be too often too serious everywhere. But you can for sure use it also, as I was showing you before, for a speech. So it means like you just really don't have to do it just with a song. You can add a speech. You can add your own audio file. So you could record yourself naturally and upload this file, or even with this text. So when this will be generated, I will show you this as well. So one more thing I want to show everyone is actually our new avatars. And I also want to start with a video that I was seeing 2 days ago, because he's a great, actually, yeah, I would say generator for avatars, AI. Very good guy. I love his projects, to be honest. And maybe we can watch this and then we can talk how he did it, but also like what type of avatars he was using. So do you think I should share this, Joy?
Yes, I think that is a very great examples to show our new instant avatars.
Yes. So we did a big project with a lot of, I would say, lifelike avatars, casual looking avatars, but also business corporate. And then maybe some of you also heard about this new notebook LM. So I would say technology from Google. I don't want to be too technical here because not everyone here is too technical. So what you can do basically is add a document, and Notebook LM will put this to a podcast scenario. And someone from the HeyGen community, and also a very talented and skillful person here, Wes, was actually doing this type with creating the script with Notebook LM, went to HeyGen, select one or like two of our new avatars. And this is the video I want to show you now, how expressive our new avatars, public avatars, are at the end if you're doing how to do it.
Fortunate and somewhat tragic output of that.
Hey everyone, we always talk about, diving deep into a topic.
Right.
But today's dive, well...
Oh,
Now our
look, we have...
change will honor 100 years of the Royal Canadian...
LOL. Okay, we have to see advertisement here first. YouTube. Oh my God. It's always.
Yeah, it happens.
I should get like a premium account, like seriously. What's going on here? It's funny, very natural. So let's jump back to this video.
Of a doozy.
Yeah, it's deeply personal, I guess you could say.
Deeply personal in a way we never could have anticipated.
Yeah, and to be honest, I don't even know how to really articulate this, but it's got us both feeling
Off kilter. There's a certain unsettling awareness that we can't shake.
Yeah.
Like looking at a reflection that's suddenly
not you.
not quite right.
Yeah, and so a few days ago,
So I think you get the idea in first place. So HeyGen itself is a tool where you actually really, really good in connecting with other tools. We are showing you Suno. We are showing you now like Notebook. So all these different type of technologies is a perfect fit for HeyGen avatars at the end to get the outcome you're looking for and not just have like this standard avatars everyone else in a very low quality with not this good lip synchronization, whatever. You could really create this on HeyGen. Awesome. Joy, any other questions about this or any general questions?
Yeah, so firstly, I just want to, my personal feedback about the new avatars, I find that is very realistic and natural because you can just sitting on your sofa or like sitting in your office desk and even outside doing yoga. And yeah, you can like shooting your avatar everywhere in your life and showing your life. So I think that is the most amazing part for me. And also I feel like previously, like when we create a avatar video, usually it's I don't want to say it's kind of boring, but now because of different setting, because of different this kind of facing angle, you can create your video in a much more creative and dynamic ways for your creation.
I mean, you can call it boring, Joy. That's totally fair compared to where we are right now. Yes, compared to what this is and what we done like 6 months ago. Yeah, okay, boring. I get it. But it was also a limitation about the technology in first place. So it is not just on us. Sometimes you have limitations in this AI space right now, and that's fine. I mean, even if everything started like way before like OpenAI and ChatGPT, there is still just, let's say, 10 years. And if you compare this, like how long is a car itself existing? Like over 150 years? So give us a bit time and the AI space itself, we will get there very fast. But let's do it in everywhere in this industry, like step by step. But we as HeyGen, we are taking care really of this, our accessible to all with this, our HeyGen standard quality. Because our standard is different compared to all of the other ones. Here with HeyGen, you can make business. You can use it for business, high-end corporate videos in different ways. So the avatar you saw in the YouTube video, this is actually avatar that we did in the last 4 weeks with a new way how to record, how to actually put the also emotion in place. You saw Rasmus right now. He's actually, a Swedish person. He's now like in avatar in our space. He was like the creator on YouTube was using this video and just edit for sure all the parts together. So I just wanted to show you this library of avatars here. So again, you go to avatars, you go to all, you go to casual, and you will see this type of avatars. It should inspire you to create the same. If you're in a business, if you're standing, sitting, as you mentioned, Joy, everything is doable. So even if you want to create an avatar outside, like in a picnic way,
with HeyGen.
and you have
Simply type your script to get started.
you have people in the background, you want to do it in a corporate way, even outside.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
Everything is doable here. And you could also have night scenes if you want to.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
And the emotions are there. So do it, test it out, like have a look, create content with these avatars, but also think about how could I get this type of actually result. You can always reach to us out. We are doing these webinars to help you to get the same quality. Yes, we are not talking every week about the same topics. Sometimes it is like today, 101 for avatar, latest updates, new avatars. Sometimes it's favorite topic from Joy, like video translation, where you can actually have an existing video and translate to different type of languages. We have in 2 weeks, hopefully, our new launch for the interactive avatar in terms of like you could actually join a Zoom call, a Google Meet call. Very exciting. So I can't wait to have this webinar with our CIO and co-founder Wayne. We have different topics about personal videos, about our labs, about in general customer success stories. So join us every Thursday on this webinar and ask questions, give us feedback. With your feedback, we are growing. With your feedback, we are doing the right things. We have to take care. We are collecting them. We have a look to this. You can always reach out to us. Joy, what is the best address? Is it like contact at heygen.com? Should we create maybe a different email address for like, let's say, webinar or YouTube questions or like social media questions and feedback? What do you think? Should we think about this?
Yeah. I think now like support at heygen.com is a channel. We have the our support manager 24 hours, 7 days take care of our support tickets.
Perfect. Yeah. So also for the like, we are also planning to really like create a different voice experience also in our platform. So there's a lot of things that going on with your help of the feedback you're providing to us. And this is really, really amazing. I have actually zero idea why this video is still like generating. So I can't really show it to you right now because we're also a bit of time now. But Joy, do you have any other questions or last questions? Do you think I was missing anything about the new avatars, but also the 3.0 avatar?
I think it's include all our new updates like 3.0 and also our new looks feature. Yeah, and I would like to see, we really encourage our customers to just log in HeyGen and try to create your first avatars and also try to using HeyGen's avatars to create some videos. For me, like, because we are launching that 400 new instant avatars, I'm really excited for that because each time when I have a custom meeting, I can just show that avatars. And also I think that is good examples, like our customer can learn from that, like shooting angles when you create your own avatars. Because I think if you create the same format footage, like HeyGen can totally support to train your footage as your avatar. So I think that is a perfect demo. I just want to provide to our customers. That is the best recommendations you can try to learn from that avatars to create your own avatar.
100%. And there is always different purposes for the avatar in first place, different use cases you are looking for. But also, I would just say like, hey, I want to create like 3 avatars of myself for different projects. So we are also helping you to understand how you should act. Like you should already like go to this role. You want to see your avatar for this project and be a bit more expressive. Like for sure, hand movements, like do it slow motion. Just because you're speaking very expressive, emotional, you don't have to do like all this quick and fast like hand movements. But this is maybe, yeah, let's say, Joy, let's do it in this way. When we launch 3.0 to everyone, but also like to have the different looks and everything, maybe I will, with you, create one more webinar in case of how to create the avatar I'm looking for, or how to create the best avatar, how to get the best actually out of my avatar. Maybe this should be a separate video. Okay, so from my end, I was talking a lot today. If you don't have any other questions from the community or also from yourself, I would say, yeah, thank you to everyone.
Thank you. I just want to add one more point.
Yeah, sure, 100%.
Yeah, because I saw a very great feedback from our customers.
Yeah.
We want to see more like help videos, this kind of tutorial videos.
Yes.
Our team, our community team, and user education team is dedicated to create more this kind of educational videos because our product is launched so fast. So we are trying to create more this kind of educational content to help you know how to using HeyGen. So we will be launching this kind of video soon. So thanks for your our customers' feedback.
As I said, Joy, like if you can complain a lot that we are missing something, or you could take action and reach out to us and say, hey guys, this is the feature you're missing. This is the feedback I have overall. Why you're not just adding this button? Why you're not changing, I don't know, like the interface to a dark mode? Like all these things will help us. So yeah, like reach to us out. Great feedback. Thank you, Joy, for mentioning this. We will do this, take care about this, all these videos, step-by-step videos, and for beginner, advanced, creative, out of the box. So a lot of things we have in mind here. Yeah, thank you. Cool.
Great.
Okay, so to everyone, like still, if it's a good morning, good evening, or even good night from all Europeans, we will see each other next Thursday for the next webinar. If you have questions, you could also leave a comment under like the YouTube video. Actually, there's also a, for sure. So comment. How do you say, like comment, subscribe, like? Oh no, I'm not saying this. So also to everyone from LinkedIn, have a good day. And yeah, talk to you soon. Joy, thank you so much for spending time with me here. It's always a pleasure to have you.
Thank you.